We had the privilege yesterday of touring Messick's Farm Equipment's new facility in Mount Joy, Pennsylvania. And to say it's impressive is an understatement. It is beautiful and it is huge. As we toured the facility, I wondered to myself what it takes to build a business from this humble location in 1952 to now 5 locations, including this beautiful hub in Mount Joy, Pennsylvania. Our host happened to be a longtime employee, almost 50-year employee, in fact, and I posed the question to him, and his answer was they simply always fought hard for the customer. That means keeping more parts in stock than may seem prudent so that customers back in operation that same day instead of having to make a return trip for an ordered part or fighting hard for a warranty claim. This facility is proof positive that putting the customer first is indeed good business practice.